The wife of President Chaugati, Commander Brigadier General Fidelis Monda, is reported to have played a key role in organizing businessman KUTYA's late tenure event in Masvingo last Friday, an event widely seen as the soft launch of his political ambitions. Sanapina mashoko onekwa kunzi panguva ine matop army general aiwa, especially the army general's wife aiwa ari kuonekwa kunzi oleader kuda kwaTAGWIREI's campaign iri kuonekwa kunzi is rallying him aiwa to lead the country. Look, subscribe or like on the bell. Continue on more brand new. The wife of President Chaugati, Commander Brigadier General Fidelis Monda, was present at the gathering wearing a beret emblazoned with ED, the initials of President Emmerson Mnangagwa. According to ZIM Live sources, she was the chief organizer, handling invitations and other logistical arrangements. The event is further fueled speculation about TAGWIREI's rumored bid to succeed Mnangagwa, allegedly with the president's blessing by sideline VP Constantino Chiwenga. While TAGWIREI has not publicly declared any political ambitions, his involvement in ZANU-PF affairs has been growing. His political entry was first signaled in March when ZANU-PF provincial executives in Masvingo and Harare called for his inclusion in the party's central committee. Adding to the intrigue, outspoken war veteran Blessed Gesa recently alleged that TAGWIREI is paying Brigadier General Monda $25,000 per month for protection. The claim, coupled with his wife's role in the Masvingo event, is likely to intensify debate over TAGWIREI's place in the ZANU-PF's succession politics. The event itself, dubbed the Land Tenure Implementation Leadership Success Series Program, was framed as a youth empowerment initiative focused on land utilization and agricultural productivity. TAGWIREI said the program would be rolled out across the country. Ndio mashwari kuda panguva ine kuchonekwa kunzi kuda kwashe TAGWIREI is ascension yakunyasa kuonekwa panoonekwa kunzi is backing yakaona awechimubeka ye the military panguva ino yakonzeresa, and people they are now sure kuti TAGWIREI anokwanisa kuva unstoppable. Pinangome section medu dzamafunguro emu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pamusoro subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.